Hi guys, Aura is back. 2 weeks passed so fast, and here's another video about the infamous DevOps topics. Today we are checking GitLab. So let's start at the website of GitLab. Go to pricing, there is a free solution, so let's just get started. And since it's possible to register with GitHub, let's do it. Let's authorize. Pick the bear. Okay, let's verify. Next. Verification successful. Refresh. Okay, do it as a security analyst. Just choose something. Just me. Not needed. Okay, type my name. Write test here. Select something. Select Hungary. Those two are optional, so let's continue. Create a group, name it test, project test. Okay, create a project. Okay, let's go. Let's just cancel it and add code. We can just have a test file here, test.py, print hello world. That should be enough. Go to GitHub, type initial commit, and commit to main, continue. As we are at the project now, let's go to settings and CI/CD. And here there is a section runners. A runner here is technically the same as an agent in Azure. I will install it on my Raspberry. To do it, just follow me. We are back at the CI/CD settings at runners. Okay, just click on new project runner. First type a tag, rpy, then click on create a runner. Now we need to install it, so just click on how do I install. Linux is already selected and select RM64, copy it and paste it to our Raspberry. Press enter and wait. Okay, as it installed, let's go back here, copy it, paste, and there, and enter again, type shell. Okay, and now we need to run. And as you can see, you've just registered a new runner. We can put our Raspberry away and view the runners. Just go on edit and tick run unchecked jobs and save the changes. Now go back to build pipelines. Let's just click on try test template. Here's the test pipeline. In the first step, just add the new line. Python test.py and commit the changes. If we go at pipelines, we can see that our first pipeline is just running. Click on it, click again, and we can see it failed because Python command not found. Go to the pipeline editor and change it to Python 3 and commit the changes. Go back to pipelines, check it, click on the build, and let's wait what's happening. Finally, it succeeded. You can see that it writes hello world, it writes the other echoes that happened, and if we go to jobs, we can see all the other jobs also, that unit testing jobs are still running. Two steps are done, and this one, if you check, has a 60-second sleep, so it's a little bit slower. And now it succeeded also. You can see the deploy step. By now it also succeeded. And as you can see, our first GitLab pipeline is done. Okay, that's all for this week. Unfortunately, some troubleshoot is inevitable in IT, but it was still easy peasy. Next week, I will do a blog post about the SSDLC, the Secure Software Development Lifecycle, and after that, we will do a deeper dive into the pipeline security by a video. Please check back next week if you are interested, and like, subscribe or comment to support me. Stay safe online, and see you next time. Bye!